going out to a job just to replace out the panels. Charged $3,800. So I'll be videoing. Oh, got another call. I'll catch you. Okay, I got 2 of the sections up now. I'm just changing out the panels. The tracker's still in. Opener's still in. And I'm just gonna go ahead and keep going. I'll let you guys know when we're done. We've been here about maybe 30-40 minutes. Okay, door's all done. Push the button. Watch it go down. So on this job, we changed the spring on top and the panels. We left the track. So you can even see the spider web hanging off the track right there. And then we just hooked the arm to the door and you got yourself a door. That took about probably a little less than an hour to hang the whole door. And here we go, opening up nice and smooth, like a Cadillac. Back hangs look good. Go to this side. Back hangs look good. Anyway, get involved with this business. We have so many people that have taken our course. They're making a lot of money. And maybe you don't feel like you could, but I'm here to tell you, you can. You can do 1 job a week and make more than you'll make all week working for somebody. I'm telling you guys the truth. This isn't one of those scam things online where it doesn't work. You guys that are out there doing the same thing in a meaningless job, doing something you feel like you're never gonna get out of it, get into the garage door business. If you do this right, within a year, you'll be a millionaire. GarageDoorTrainingSchool.com. Our school's proven. We're gonna get you into business. We'll see you in the class. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.